Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Architi Creations. See, today we are going to be learning how to create this beautiful Lakshmi Ganeshji Chowki right at home. You're going to create it yourself and we will then be using it for our Deepavali Pujan or Diwali Puja. See how beautiful it is looking. I will now show you very simple things we'll be using to create the beautiful Chowki. Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Architi Creations. Today we are going to learn how to create a beautiful Lakshmi Ganesh Chowki. For that I have taken a wooden piece. This is an MDF piece which is cut in a design. You can even take a small rectangular MDF piece or cut any pretty design in a cardboard. The second thing that we need are the idols of Lakshmi Ji Ganesh Ji. These are small, very small size Mattika Lakshmi Ji Ganesh Ji idols. Then we need some kind of decoration gota. So you can take any kind of gota that is available with you. I have a golden gota, I have a gota like this, some pieces, glass pieces. I'll be using these pearls to act as the base for my chowki. And we need acrylic colors. So I'll be using a pretty poppy pink. We need black for the hair. Then we need a skin color. This is a flesh taint 30 number. Then any color, blue or green, whatever you want to do for Ganeshji's dhoti. We'll be needing a golden and golden bronze color for the ornaments. And we'll be needing a crimson red or a coral red for the chalk. So let us start. For the base, I have done a coat of gesso on the base. You can do gesso, either the gesso which is available in the market or homemade gesso, whatever is convenient to you. So let us first get started. As a first step, we are going to color the base using our acrylic red color. Do 2 coats of the color. So now we are going to paint the sari of Lakshmi Ji in red color. You can take bright shining red color or the glitter color. Here I'll be doing normal red color and then on top of it I'll be using gold. So this gives us flexibility to color the goddess and Ganeshji in the colors of our choice. We can decorate them and the puja ka patao as we like. Now we are going to do the dhoti of Ganeshji. Now for Ganeshji, we will be doing a different color chunni. Now take your black color. We will do the hair part. Now I have taken my skin color and we are going to do the body. For the skin, you might need 2 coats of the colors. Same color, skin color we are going to use for the goddess. Now we have taken golden color and we are going to do the mukut. We can do the ornaments, do all the ornaments. Even on the dhoti, little bit of golden color we do. And the jinehu. Like this. In the same way, we are going to do the mukut of Lakshmi ji. Earring. We'll also do the blouse of Lakshmi ji. So this is the jewelry part. The chunni a little bit. Now take a thin brush, take little bit of red color, and we are going to do the lotus. Like this. Now use your very thin brush to do the tilak. Now you can take any thin marker pen which is waterproof to make the eyebrows and the eyes. This way. So this way I have made the eyes also. Now we are going to let this dry. I'm going to do a red coat behind and then we are going to decorate our chokki. Now as the Lakshmi ji Ganesh ji are drying up, we will decorate our chokki. For that, take your Fevicol and we are going to stick this very pretty lace here. So this is a kundan lace which has the studs in between. So we are just going to let this dry. Now I am taking my golden gota. For that I will be using my glue gun to stick it. So now see, I have stuck the gota. Isn't it looking pretty now? Now we are going to stick the pav of the chokki. For that I will be using my big size. This is 12 mm moti. So just put your motis and just stick them. So this is going to just stick in a minute. This is all stuck in that. Now we are going to stick our Lakshmi ji Ganesh ji. So first we will stick Ganesh ji. Just put hot glue gun on the base. You can also use Araldite or Fevibond to do this. In the same way, put hot glue gun. So now I have stuck Lakshmi ji Ganesh ji and In the center, I am just taking a proportion that this much amount of space my diya will be taking. Now I am going to do decoration on the side. You can use mirror, you can use kundan, whatever you like. Now we'll do a little bit of thin kundan work here. So this is the Swarovski, cut Swarovski that I have. Sticking one, so you can just and I have these two pieces that I'm sticking to make my choki more decorative on the sides. So let this get dried up. I will show you a front view also of the Lakshmi Ganesh choki. How beautifully we have created such a lovely Lakshmi Ji Ganesh Ji choki using such simple things that are easily available at home. Do let me know what all you used to create your beautiful choki, what color combinations you used, and also share the pictures of your Lakshmi Ji Ganesh Ji chokis with us. You can also share them on our FB page. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.